Today we are going to study about a beautiful poem that is called The True Beauty. The True Beauty is the poem which is composed by Thomas Carey. Remember, in this poem the poet is talking about two kind of beauty. The first one is physical beauty and the second one is spiritual beauty. In this poem, the poet Thomas Carey is appreciating the spiritual beauty. The spiritual beauty is a beauty that is the beauty of soul and mind. And physical beauty is a kind of beauty that is related to physics. That is the beauty of lips, the beauty of cheeks, and the beauty of face. And in this poem, the poet is talking about the spiritual beauty that is permanent and it is a beauty that will never destroy as time passes. Let us see. He that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lip admires, or from star-like eyes doth see, feeble to maintain his fires. As old time makes these decay, so his flames must waste away. But a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thoughts and calm desires, hearts with equal love combined, kindle never dying fires. Where these are not, I despise lovely cheeks or lips or eyes. Students, remember this poem has two stanzas. In the first stanza, the poet is talking about physical beauty, and in the second stanza, the poet is talking about the spiritual beauty. First, let us see what he is talking about the physical beauty. He is saying that he that loves a rosy cheek, he माने वह means ऐसा व्यक्ति जो कि अपनी प्रेमिका के लव्स मीन्स पसंद करता है. रोजी चिक मीन्स होता है गुलाबी गाल, कोरल लिप्स मूंगे जैसे लाल होठ, एडमायर्स मीन्स होता है अप्रिशिएट करना, प्रशंसा करना. फ्रॉम स्टार लाइक आईज, स्टार लाइक आईज मीन्स क्या होता है सितारों जैसी आंखें. सीक मीन्स होता है खोजना, लुक फॉर. फीवेल टू मेंटेन हिज फायर्स, फीवेल मीन्स होता है ईंधन, प्रेम अग्नि. मेंटेन हिज फायर्स मीन्स होता है वासना की आग. As old time makes this decay, as old time makes this decay, जैसे जैसे समय बीतता है ये सब चीजें नष्ट हो जाती हैं. Decay means होता है destroy, नष्ट करना. So his flames must waste away. So his flames से यहाँ तात्पर्य है प्रेमाग्नि, वासना की अग्नि. Waste away means होता है बुझ जाना, समाप्त हो जाना. First, I would like to tell you the Hindi meaning of the particular stanza, and after that I will tell you explanation. He that loves a rosy cheek, कवि कहता है कि वह जो अपनी प्रेमिका के गुलाबी गालों को पसंद करता है, और कोरल लिप एडमायर्स, अथवा जो उसकी मूंगे जैसे लाल होठों की प्रशंसा करता है. और फ्रॉम स्टार लाइक आइज डथ सीक फीबल टू मेंटेन हिज फायर्स, अथवा जो अपनी प्रेमिका की सितारों जैसी आंखों में अपनी प्रेमाग्नि को बनाए रखने के लिए ईंधन की तलाश करता है. As old time makes this decay, जैसे जैसे समय बीतता है ये सब शारीरिक सुंदरता समाप्त हो जाती है. So his flames must waste away. और इस तरह से उसका अपनी प्रेमिका के प्रति जो प्रेम होता है वो भी समाप्त हो जाता है. तो कवि कहता है कि हमें शारीरिक सुंदरता को नहीं पसंद करना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि he that loves a rosy cheek और coral lip admires, क्योंकि वह व्यक्ति जो अपनी प्रेमिका के गुलाबी गालों को पसंद करता है, और कोरल लिप एडमायर्स, अथवा उसके मूंगे जैसे होठों की प्रशंसा, मूंगे जैसे लाल होठों की प्रशंसा करता है. और फ्रॉम स्टार लाइक आइज डथ सीक फीबल टू मेंटेन हिज फायर्स, अथवा उसकी सितारों जैसी आंखों में अपनी प्रेमाग्नि को बनाए रखने के लिए ईंधन की तलाश करता है. As old time makes this decay, ये सब शारीरिक सुंदरता जैसे जैसे समय बीतता है वो नष्ट हो जाती है। So his flames must waste away, और इस तरह से उसकी प्रेमाग्नि बुझ जाती है, अपनी प्रेमिका के प्रति जो उसका प्रेम होता है वो समाप्त हो जाता है। Now I would like to tell you in English what is the meaning of particular stanza. He that loves a rosy cheek or coral lip admires, are from star-like eyes doth see, feeble to maintain his fires. As old time makes this decay, so his flames must waste away. He that loves rosy cheek or coral lip admires. In the very first stanza, the poet is talking about the physical beauty. He is saying that a man who loves his beloved rosy cheek, or a man who appreciates his beloved coral lips, or a man who search a kind of fever to complete his lust in his beloved star-like eyes. As old time makes this decay, so his flames must waste away. As time passes, this physical beauty decreases. As time passes, these physical qualities, these physical beauties, this decays, and his love for his beloved is being destroyed. Comes to an end. In this way, the poet is condemning, the poet is criticizing the physical beauty. Now we are coming to the next stanza that is talking about the spiritual beauty. Let us see what is he saying in this stanza. But a smooth and stitch for mind, gentle thoughts and calm desire, hearts with equal love combined, kindle never dying fires, where these are not, I despise lovely cheeks or lips or eyes. First, I would like to tell you in Hindi, and after that, I will explain it in English. But a smooth and stitch for mind. लेकिन आध्यात्मिक सुंदरता के संदर्भ में कवि कह रहा है कि लेकिन वह व्यक्ति जो अपनी प्रेमिका के अंदर